Good afternoon. What time is it? I'm not sure kung anong oras na. But it is Sunday. Bakit ko ba kinuha yung wallet ko? Oh yeah. Bibilhan ko si Sisi ng phone online. Kasi naghahanap siya ng prepaid na phone sa New Zealand. And we found one. Hindi ko siya ma-order-order. Kasi yung mga binigay niya sa aking information, kulang. Nakakaloka naman itong babaeng to. Tapos na kompleto niya kagabi lang. Binigay niya sa akin yung contact number niya. And yeah, so I'll just do that. I'll order her yung phone niya, yung iPhone 5 pa yun guys na binigay ko sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, ano na daw, tsaka na daw, it turns off by itself. So kailangan niya ng bagong phone. And she was planning to buy the iPhone and I was like, no, kasi kapag bumili ka ng iPhone, it will be in a contract. And yeah, hindi pa niya sure kung magsistay siya doon forever. So sabi ko, bili ka na lang ng you know, cheap na phone. Tapos go prepaid para wala kang contract. Yung napili namin na phone for her is the Huawei ba yun guys? So this one yung bibilhin ko sa kanya. It was originally $169, save $30, $140 na lang siya. So we got enough hats for Merwin, Marlon, and oh, this is cute. Just plain black. We're here at KMART guys. I always look at hats. Hello babe, this is something that Papi can wear.
Oh, yeah. That's a
I wish it's Adelaide. It's Philadelphia.
Who cares? It's $5.
It's good. Ganito yung mga sinusuot ni Papi. Yung hindi straight yung dito. Yung pa-curve siya.
Get it for Bobby.
Yeah?
Why
This
not?
one? This color?
Yeah.
There's heaps here. Meron pa dito marami. Yung iniisip ko kasi meron pa akong time. So, ala, this one babe. This is what I like. For Papi. Yeah, it's $10. It's not on sale. I will wait for it to be on sale, babe. Ano ba tong anak na to? Hindi bumibili kapag full price. Babe, you should shop for me. Choose my clothes. I need... Oh, sige ha. I know. I was gonna say choose a pillowcase. Are we buying Maddie's present today?
Want to put cases of pillows while you're here?
Where is it?
Home stuff.
Okay. Home stuff. No, not pillowcase, babe. Pillow. We have a pillowcase. Kailangan ko ng pillow para sa pineapple pillowcase ko. Sabi ni Dan para kay Neil daw ganyan. He wears something like that. He has like something like this. Not exactly that, but yeah. Star Wars. Or Tristan.
Nah.
He likes Star Wars, but he's not gonna wear something like that.
iPhone 7.
Mine is 7 Plus, babe. 50 cents, guys. Mura lang. They have it. Oh, $1, babe. Oh, that's 7. No, Samsung. Look, this is cute. 50 cents, babe. Samsung. Pineapple. It will look something like this. But where am I gonna put it? How much is it, babe? Can you try it?
$20.
Do they have a...
No way.
No? 20? That's expensive. See, babe, something like this will go well sa bedroom than what you have right now. Okay, pillows. I need just a plain pillow. Wala, ito oh. Ang ganun din to. Oh. Oh, cute. Nice. Hello, the silver. Ah! Yes. Dito kami sa rug section. Oh, what's your face? Is that you? That's not big enough. How about this? Ah, meron siyang shape. Gusto namin yung ano lang. Yung normal. The normal rug. What are these?
Rugs.
Okay. And then here as well. Nawala yung gusto namin. But this one, guys. So good. Ito ganda-ganda. Stop playing with the ball. Why are you getting that?
50 cents. That's a bargain.
The what?
It used to be $1.
Oh, this is half price. Okay. Maghahanap kami ng present para sa kanyang pamangkin. Let's go, babe. Do it, babe. Oh, I like that color. Sige, that one. You want that? For what? This is for what? Is it a toy?
How do you from bending over? Fruity rubbers.
Hello, babe. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Wait.
Look at this one.
What are you doing?
Rhases.
We're big spenders.
Welcome. Please scan your
50
first
cents.
items. This item.
Put it in here. You.
If you have a Flybuys
Yun
card,
lang.
please scan it now. Select payment type.
We already
If
paid.
you have a Flybuys card,
50 cents.
please scan it now.
Oh, you paid $1.
Please take your change.
Yes. Receipt.
Thank you for
50
shopping at
cents.
KMART.
Look at that, guys. Nandito kami sa COLES, and that is custard apples. I think that's Atis. So I'm gonna Google and see kung yan yun. Kasi I wanna try it. Atis in English. Custard apple! It is, babe! It is Atis. That one. Can I get one?
If you want.
Yes, please. Soft one. Wait.
It's cheaper.
Ito yung bagong paborito ko, guys. Sesame snaps. $1.80. Yeah, because we got it for like $2 something before.
$2.40.
$2.31. So this one is better, babe?
Even Coles is cheaper. That's only that was $2.40 at Coles normally. That's even
No,
normal
Woolies.
price.
At Woolies it was $2.70, I think.
Woolies,
Yeah.
Woolies is more expensive.
So can I get two then?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yumbas.
Right, Jen?
What else? Let's look for more healthy snacks.
I'll do. We got fruit as well. We got fruit.
Yeah, we got fruit.
About 80 cents each.
Bili kami shampoo, guys. Si Dan allergic sa ano. What are we using now? OGF, the organics, allergic siya. Meron siyang mga ano, flaky, red something. So we used to use the Garnier Fructis, not that one. Strength and Shine, I think it was, babe. They ran out. It's not here anymore.
It's right there, Strength and Shine.
Yeah, but is that shampoo? That's conditioner.
Yeah, but it's shampoo right here.
No, that's... Oh my gosh, did you just break it?
Just put this back.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing? No, they didn't like... We're home. Akala ko didiretso kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Hindi pala. Kasi we need to put these away. And bakit my camera is blinking? Hala, feeling ko iba yung battery na na-charge ko. Okay. Blink na yung battery. Wait, palitan ko muna. So we went to KMART and COLES. Sa KMART, pumunta kami doon, diba? And then pumunta kami ng COLES after. And then bumalik kami sa KMART. Magkatabi lang kasi sila. Kasi I wanted to get a tumbler for water. And this one is good, guys. Kasi meron siyang freeze stick. So, itong black, ito, you can remove it. Put water in there. And then freeze it para to keep your water cold. Which is good. Lalagay mo siya ng tubig. If you freeze mo siya. And naka-attach siya dyan. And... yeah, meron siyang straw. I'm not really a big fan of like water na straw, pero okay lang. Ano siya? Meron siyang gold polka dots and BPA free. Only $5 from KMART. And then Dan got himself a new phone case because he will be using my phone now. Because I got a new phone! I got the Rose Gold 7 Plus. And... so, si Danny yung gagamit ng akin. I did get him the shockproof case from eBay. But I think that will be here next week pa. So, kung gusto niya gamitin yung phone ko, he will be using this. Kasi yung phone case ng phone ko ngayon, gold. Ayaw niya yung gold. And then, I got veggie chips because it was half off. So, from, I think $3 something, $1.75 na lang siya. Sabi na dad, yung mga healthy snack, ang mamahal. So, nung nakasale siya, I got it. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na hala, super healthy na ako. But, you know, I'm trying. And then we got pork. Kasi Dan wants me to cook the pork with mushroom. Masarap yun. Matagal na kami hindi nakakagawa nun. And then I got another healthy snack. sesame snaps, gluten-free. Dalawa yung binili ko because it was on sale as well. And yeah. So I can bring it to work for my snack. And then meron pa akong fruit for snack. That's good. Dan got this Tina wafers. Gusto na yan. Hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. Very sweet siya. Mas prefer ko yung wafer natin sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko basta yung wafer. Ito, sobrang sweet niya. Marami siyang flavor. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Hindi ko nga naubos eh. I ended up throwing it away. Kasi hindi ko siya naubos. Pinadala sa akin ni Dan kasi sabi ko magdadala ako ng snack sa work. And yeah, I brought it to work. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. We got 2 avocados because Dan has been really liking the avocado with eggs lately. Yun nga yung breakfast niya kanina eh. I just had my niece biscuits and coffee for breakfast. We got mushroom para nga sa pork. We got 2 milk. And then we got shampoo. Kasi as I said earlier, meron siyang allergy. Garnier fructis. Wala yung original na ginagamit namin talaga. Sabi nila okay lang to kasi same brand, same like parang variant fructis something. It was 2 for $8 I think. And then we got my niece biscuit. And yung atis guys. I will eat it right now. Kainin ko to, atis. Nakita ko siya and I wasn't sure kung atis siya. I think I tried atis. Why are you smiling? It's called atis. Mahal siya. $2.80 something, babe. $8 a kilo. Pero yeah, babe, let's try this. I actually do not remember. Feeling ko kasi sobrang nasasarapan ako. The last time I tried this was sobrang batang-bata pa ako guys. Sa bukid pa namin yun. Char, inangkin ko yung bukid. Yeah, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Like, sobrang bata pa ako nun. Siguro mga 7, 8. It's been, what? It's been 19 years. Try ko siya. Nakita ko siya kasi kanina. Sabi ko, hala, yes, babe, I tried this when I was 7. And I remember it was really good. I'm not sure if it's good. What?
You haven't had it since?
No. Yeah. It's not very common. Or maybe it's common in some parts of the Philippines, but not in our place. So yeah, let's eat, babe. You wanna try?
No.
I don't even know how to peel up, if you're supposed to peel it or something. I think I'm just gonna cut it.
Google.
Sorry?
Google.
Google? Nah. I can't wait to eat it. It is hello. Ano ba to? I just cut it in half. Ay, okay. Ganyan pala itsura niya. Para siyang siko karabaw. Okay. Tingnan natin. Custard apple. I'm not sure if I'm eating it. Alright. Not bad. It's actually not bad at all. Oh my gosh. Babe, try it.
No, a little bit.
Doesn't this look good to you?
Cut me a little bit and just chuck it over here.
Of course. I'm gonna give you a whole heap of atis. Dito na kami. Wala yung mama at saka yung stepdad na Dan. Bella, come here. Hello. Hello. What do you have in there? What is that? Upload na ako guys. 3 video yung upload ko eh. Siguro mga 3 oras to. Look at Bella. Bye Bella! Bye! Punta lang kami sa Spotlight. Malapit lang daw kasi dito. We will get pillow. Kasi hindi namin nakita sa KMART kanina. Meron sila meron na sila mga case sa kanila. So we will go there. Wala pa rin yung mama tsaka stepdad na Dan. Pagbalik na lang. Uy, hala babe. Pagbalik na lang. Paano yun? Bakit nandito yung lapi na rice? Okay, let's go. Dito kami sa Spotlight. Hello babe, maybe they will have rugs here.
Bath bombs.
Oh, cool. Hala yeah. Bath bombs. They will have rugs here, babe. Alright?
No.
Why not? Looks like they sell rugs. This color. No, this color. Yeah? Come here. Sit. Sit. Just try it. It feels really nice. You will regret it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
This is your pillowcase.
I think it's this.
You guess that's small?
Yeah.
That's the smallest one.
Is that the smallest one?
Got this one here.
Hello babe,
Bigger?
I'm not sure. I don't know. How much is this? $6.99? What is the size of our pillowcase right now? I mean our pillow right now. I think it's the smallest one. Now just to be safe, get the smallest one. Or like, yeah, small. That one. Get that one please.
You're gonna that one?
Yes. And I'm a tear world, and I'm a tear girl. I think we found it. Get it, babe? Can you?
I can't.
You're weak.
It's too tight.
No, you can't. Ooh, good job, babe. You can work here. Just work here. That one is actually not bad. That will match what we have as well. But how much is that? Oh my gosh, that looks nice. It feels nice as well. I want that. Oh, they got hips here, babe. Babe. Let's look here first. Hello, the black one, babe. It's only 120.
Too much.
I need to see what's on there. Can you lift me? Lift me.
Where?
You see?
I got you.
I just want to look. Can you not?
You know what?
Don't.
Ready?
Babe, enough. I'm actually here. I'm here.
Hey, you're
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
You're so,
What are you-
such a
what-
fan. We're back. We ended up getting the yung my design na, yung may covering siya na kanya. Ooh, 72%. I'll cook fries. Meron sila dito, babe. Where is it?
No, come on, I'll have any.
Did they put it in the freezer?
Come on, I'll have any.
Oh.
There you go, there you go.
There we go. Yours.
Wedges.
We're home. Naka-upload ako ng 2 videos. Hello, babe. Let's feed the fish. Should we turn on the light for a few minutes? I'll turn it on so they can see their food. Hello. Oh my gosh. I thought they're dead. Look at them. Look at all of them. Why are they there? At the bottom. They're all at the bottom.
Wow, that is weird. That is weird.
Hello,
They're not
babe.
swimming. Maybe they are dying.
No, they're not.
But why
All
they
of them.
All of them. They don't look well.
Where's the janitor? The janitor fish is right there. Right there. All of them. Let's feed them and see what they... What's going on, guys? Oh, he's there. He just came off from there.
Let's put some food in and see what happens.
Sige.
Maybe they're not being filmed.
They don't like being filmed. They're already like that. That's not enough. They need to have 1 flake each. I think you're not feeding them enough. That's why they're dying. Oh, they're back. Maybe they're just hungry. Hello, guys. Come on, eat. Maybe their tail is itchy. Scratching it. Okay, guys. Ito yung binili namin na pillow. Wala siyang cover. Ito lang talaga siya. Mas soft kasi siya kaysa sa dun sa naked pillow. And then ito yung nakuha ko sa rose gall na pineapple. Na actually kind of matches my... See, no, not really. Pero hindi siya very off, diba? Hindi kami nakabili ng rug. Kasi sabi nila, sa rug shop daw talaga kami dapat. So yeah, sana magkasya to. Kasya, pagkasyahin mo ang sarili mo. Yung fish namin pala, yung parang thermometer, no, parang yung nag-a-adjust ng temperature ng tubig sa tank ni Dan, off. Kaya siguro nilalamig yung mga fish, kaya nasa bottom sila lahat. Yay, it fits. And it's really soft. Actually, it's really not that bad. It kind of matches. See? Hindi naman siya ganun ka-off. Okay lang siya. I like it. Oh, diba?
Okay, now go.
I thought you said already. I'll close the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you in the next one. Be good. Good night.